angels, this is Miss Dixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What good news is coming your way next? Yes, friends, many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. Please do subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot friends. Subscribe, like, and share. And friends, if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, angels, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way. Also, friends, join us on our new channel. I've started a new channel on everybody's request. It is an exclusive Hindi channel, so you can join it. It's by the name of Magic Wins Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps of this reading. Also, on the community or the stories of our channel, you can check that, or on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com, friends. I will also be pulling some extra messages from here, what news is coming your way. So let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath and relax and choose option 1, this beautiful green stone. This beautiful green feathery stone. Option number 2, this beautiful yellow stone. Option number 3, this beautiful purple stone. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly skip there and choose the number that you have chosen. You can also choose more than one option, no problem in that, friends. You can choose more than one. I'm gonna keep it aside for now. Let's see for option 1 what good news is coming your way. It's about in love, work, any area. What is going to happen? For option number 1, this beautiful mystical green. Wow, I love this green. It's beautiful. This is your romance angels messages. And this is your extra messages. You're gonna look at that in the end. Let's see your cards. The 3 of Wands, the Knight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the 10 of Swords, the Sun. That's beautiful. 2 of Swords. Ooh. And the Temperance. This is beautiful, friends. Very, very beautiful cards. I definitely feel that you are going through some tough times right now. Because I felt that when I picked this stone also, it is about healing. And look at this, it's exactly the same color of the of the stone and the card. And if you look at the cards, I hope you can see them. You can see most of the cards are there is green in them. There is green here, here, and here, and here, and also here. So a lot of green and red. I feel like this is about healing. I definitely feel right now this is a tough time for you, friends, in your life. You may be ending a situation, probably in love or in work. I definitely see that some sort of an ending is currently happening in your life, or probably in your career, I feel. It could be different for all of you. Like for some of you, a relationship has ended recently, or a job has ended recently. I also feel for 50% of you this ending has already happened, but for others you are right now going through this and you are a little confused. Should you end things and move ahead, or should you stay where you are? So I feel some confusion going on in your mind right now, but there is a weight, a heavy weight on you, friends. It is like you feeling like a lot of responsibilities, a lot of pressure. Also, I feel like you feel like defeated in some way. Sorry to say that. Right now, I also feel some of you are confused. A lot of confusions are going on. But what will happen is that all this is the past energy or the current energy. It is going to shift because 10 is the number of changes and 2 is the number of positivity and harmony coming into your life. So I definitely see you progressing ahead of these, tough times. I see you moving ahead. I see you progressing in your life. I also see that good things, you're moving into new things because this is 2 and 3, this is 3. So you're moving into the next phase. You are moving into happy times, into relief, um, you're moving into some new areas, whether it is in love, whether it is in work, in education. I also feel some of you want to travel, or some of you are looking for like you want to change your home, you want to travel, maybe you are missing traveling right now. It will bring you a relief, I feel, if you travel a little. Maybe a walk in the park near you might help you, or making long term plans is going to really really help you. I definitely feel that. Some of you are waiting for news, friends. A lot of you are waiting for some sort of a news or relief. You are waiting. I see you waiting and giving up hope, or like it's not going to happen. You feel like it's not going to happen. But friends, it is going to happen for you. What you are waiting for is coming for you, friends. Yes, because we have the Knight of Wands. Definitely things are coming for you very, 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 very quickly, friends. And how I feel like there may be a new person, like in love, I feel a new person is coming for you, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is coming towards you very, very quickly. It could be a lover, it could be a twin flame. It could also be a friend, that comes into your life to help you or support you in some way, because you have this green. It's very healing. Whatever is the good news that's coming your way is relief. It is like, this beautiful flow of love coming your way, like, it's being guided. I can feel it's being guided towards you. It's beautiful. I wish you can see. I see the okay, fine, I'm getting a vision right now. Angels really really want to help you, friends. I see a river of love, of relief flowing towards you. It's being guided towards you. You are being guided to move forward. I think like you need some extra support right now, or this reading, or like you need some extra push, or like, yeah, it's going to be all right, it's okay to move ahead. I also feel some amazing people are coming your way. You can say friendships. You can say, I feel a new lover is coming your way. They may have already entered your life for some of you. This person is already in your life. This could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, but you feel a little confused about this person. Like, are they yours? Are they not? Or this person is confused about you. So, some sort of a confusion is going on, but the good news is a new start is going to happen. You are going to find the clarity you need, the new start, the relief, the joy, the happiness. I definitely feel some of you are also waiting for news regarding education. Like you want to, because the colleges and schools are not working as they used to. So I feel like you're waiting for something like, degrees to happen, or the courses to start, or something like that. You're waiting for that job to come towards you. I see it's coming, friends, and it's coming very quickly. You may feel like it's gonna take a 3 years. It won't happen before that, but I feel it's going to happen in the next 3 weeks, 3 days, 3 months for you. So get to stay positive. Get to work. Get to work, friends. Get to work, because good things are coming your way, and I think you are going to be very surprised when this new job offer, or this sudden business opportunity, or a new passionate connection come towards you. You are going to be very surprised. It's gonna come out of the blue, and it is going to change your life, or make it more positive in some way. But I feel for you to attract this good news, You have to remain positive. You have to make some changes. Friends, I feel you are not at all socializing right now or sharing or expressing yourself. Friends, good news is ahead you will have more time to express yourself, more time to show the world the real you, your gifts, your talents. I feel some of you could be getting a new pet also, a cat, a dog, or maybe you'll meet some animal, maybe around where you live. It's going to become a friend of yours. It's beautiful. Maybe your neighbors have some pets. They are going to come into your life and it's going to change your life. It will make you feel, wow, life is exciting. I think right now what you are missing is excitement. You feel like you feel nothing is exciting, nothing exciting is happening in my life. You know that is that ad. Which ad is it? There is that ad that comes. I keep reminding of it. No excitement in life. You need to do something daring. I don't know which ad it was. So maybe you are into. Maybe you should try some creative writing or something. I feel it's going to help you shift your perspective. I definitely see new money or some money opportunities are coming or some new work opportunities, and I think you are going to create them rather than the opportunities coming towards you. You are going to either attract them or you are going to create them. Maybe some of you have any business ideas or you have some gifts, creative skills which you can work on. Maybe you are good at making something, maybe chocolates, maybe pastries, maybe food, maybe textiles, jewelry, something like that. I think you should something like that. Some idea is going to change your life, friends. It's interesting. Some money is coming your way. I think some of you are really worried about money or career, like which way to go, why this confusion, why is it happening. It's for a reason, friends. It's for a reason, and new beginnings are coming, and they are coming very quickly. Like no, no, no. I can actually hear like oh, vroom, vroom. It's coming in very quickly. If you are not ready, my dear friends, and still doubting this reading, oh my God. I don't know what you are going to do because I don't think so. These opportunities are going to wait for long. So you might have to grab them as they come, make some quick decisions. A new lover may come your way, a twin flame, or someone you know, or someone who is a secret admirer for you is coming towards you. But this person is quick. If you say no, they are gonna like, yeah, bye. No problem. No problem, babes. Bye. So you got to stay clear. You got to stay balanced, friends. Definitely, I see some happiness coming towards your way, some good news. The good news is this balance is coming into your life, this give and take. I feel you have given and not received your rewards, your love, that money, that affection. It's coming, friends, it's coming. You need to trust it. Also, you need to stay positive and you need to step out of your comfort zone. You need to step out of your comfort zone. I also feel more opportunities at work or in love can come your way if you just are a little bold and tell people or share more about yourself. Maybe you can start some poetry. Maybe you can share your poetries here on my channel. I love reading your poetries. I love your beautiful comments you write. I love everything you write. I really read all of them and I often try to comment also. I think step out of your comfort zone. That is very necessary because great things are coming. I also feel your twin flame could be coming towards you. This is your divine masculine or feminine, or this could be a very passionate connection coming your way, but they are very quick. So if you are not sure about this person, they are like, oops, vroom, vroom, they are gone. It's like gone with the wind. You will like, what happened? But if you say yes, they are going to stay. I feel this is a divine connection, a divine relief, a divine love coming your way. Let's see your extra cards so I we can get more guidance and idea. I feel you both could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel you are feeling you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're feeling very emotional. So maybe you're Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, our viewers. Oh my God, simply love. Number six. Yes, friends, some of you maybe are dealing with issues of marriage, children, family. Maybe you are upset with family members, or you are tired of staying home all day. It can be tiring at times. No offense to anybody, but it can be tiring sometimes, all these responsibilities. So I think some relief is going to come your way. I also feel some of you may meet the future husband or wife. If you are also looking for children or pregnancy, I feel definitely that's coming your way. If you don't want it, friends, please stay careful because passions are going to be high. That's the good news coming your way. You're going to feel very, very passionate, or very passionate people are coming in your life. Also, number six is about spiritual love. So yeah, a lot of love. I told you, there is this flow of love. There is this wave of love being directed towards you. It's beautiful, friends. It's beautiful. And let's see the next card. Number four, opportunity beckons. Wow. Yes, I think you are going to find two or three opportunities. That's your good luck or good news coming your way. If you feel right now you have no options in love, in work, or in career, I think two options will at least cross your way in the coming months. It is a timeless reading, so the time zone. Like if you ask me for time frame, it could happen very quickly for some of you. It may happen in over the period of 6 months for some of you, because I feel it depends on how positive you feel. Because I feel like the sun is in the position like you need to stay positive. If you are like because here also I feel like you can turn your back towards these things, these blessings coming your way. So you will say, oh, you said blessings are coming, where are they? I think you can turn your back if you are feeling unhappy or clinging to past. See, this is your past. Don't focus there, friends. Focus on love. Forgive everybody from the past if there are issues. I think like something regarding your past is weighing you down. It's time to let it go. It's time to let it go and focus on love, focus on this bright future ahead of you. I think great things are coming your way. A very passionate connection, or a reunion which is very passionate, and new beginnings, or a passionate, even if you don't change your work, you will feel more passionate about it. That's for sure. And your recognition, your public recognition is going to increase, or you should try to share more with people, laugh a little. It's necessary for you. It's necessary to make all this come more quickly into your life. Let's see your romance angels messages. Attraction. Ooh, hot. This reading is hot actually, and high on passion and money. So, attraction, you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. See, this moment. So you need to focus on the present, friends. You need to focus on the present, because I think if you keep focusing on this ending, the past, the sadness, you can miss all this that's coming your way. Focus on the future, focus on this moment, focus on how beautiful you are, how stronger you became, and amazing things are coming your way. Let's see what good news is coming for pile number one. What good news is coming? I see this person, this opportunity, something is coming, something that you are waiting for is coming very quickly into your life. See, a new job. See, I felt that some of you are very unhappy with your job, your career. Even if you are happy, something new, something exciting can happen in your career, your job, your education. I feel some of you are students and you want that exam, or that you want to travel, you want to meet new people or experience a culture. I see you learning also. I see you learning, reading some more books, learning, someone recommending you some books, someone telling you read this book, it will change your life. Option number one, what good news is coming their way? Oh wow, you got a lot of, let's see, all of them. Soulmate, see, a soulmate is coming your way, friends, absolutely. A new job, as I said. Yeah, karma, something that ended in the past was karma. You know, it was karmic, it has to end. Business and self work. Oh my god, you have two new jobs and again business and self work. See, some of you are actually going to find creative ideas. Maybe as a hobby, you'll start working on them. Maybe some of you are going to actually start some your own work. Teacher and a mentor, that was the next thing I was about to say, that some of you could start teaching online or teaching something or learning something that you will teach in the future. Oh my god, I also feel a teacher or a mentor, a person who can help you is coming your way. It could be a person, it could be a book, it could be a sign, it could be a news, a sign, a message. Maybe on our channel you read something or hear something that's going to change your life in more positive ways. So keep your mind open and focus on this movement. You are attractive, friends. I feel your energy shifting. It's beautiful. I can feel your energy shifting. It's like suddenly you are very excited. Good. Let me know, did your energy shift? I know it shifted, friends. And that's how you need to be. You need to be like, ooh la la. Environmentalist and nature. See, nature is important. Take some walk, go out, get some sun. I think you are staying too much indoors, so get some sun, fresh air, and take a walk or connect with animals, birds, and all these things. It's going to bring you a lot of good news, happiness, relief. And that's it for now, friends. And this is Mystic. Do join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot, and do subscribe our channel Magic Vens Tarot. Another channel is Magic Vens Tarot Hindi. Do subscribe that, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number two, let's see what good news is coming your way. What will happen next in your love, work, or career, or what good news is coming? This is your romance angels messages. This is your oracle message, and I will be pulling some extra messages from here at the end of this reading. Let's see your cards. The Seven of Wands. Ooh, the Ace of Wands. That's interesting. Two wands together. The Five of Pentacles, the Fool. Interesting. Very nice. Oh my god, Four of Wands. Wow, friends, Four of Wands. This is amazing. And the Tower. Oh my god. Holy moly. Wow. Friends, oh my god, this is intense. So I feel like, friends, I feel like, currently you're not feeling very, very good. I think you have come, or you are coming from a very, very you're coming from a very tough time recently, or you're coming, or you're currently going through very tough time. You feel like people are using you, or they are not giving to you, and someone is hurting you, you are hurting them. So it's like an unhappy situation currently. Maybe it is in your family, maybe it is your marriage is not going well. Maybe for some of you, I feel it could be like financially you feel restricted, you feel money is not coming your way, you feel left out, you feel like left out in the cold by someone. This is so sad. And also you feel like people, maybe you are heartbroken, or maybe it's about money, like you feel people are not giving you what you need. You feel like life is unfair and people cannot be trusted. That's what I'm getting here. Life is unfair, people can't be trusted. I feel you are still trying to be very strong. I think you are going through tough times, but you are very strong, pile number two. That's why you chose this yellow, because you are very, very, very strong. You are very strong willed people, even though you may not believe that or you may doubt your strength, but you are really fighting all challenges head on. You're a fighter, you are a warrior, you are very, very bold, you are very strong, you never give up. Even when you feel like giving up, you still have the courage to fight on. You're very strong, pile number two. I have to clap for you, you are very strong. And right now, you are actually fighting. I see a lot of people are against you, maybe at work, maybe in your family, maybe in your relationship, maybe you want to, like everyone, maybe in your education career, you feel like odds are, challenges are more right now, and actually they are right now for you. I see you fighting, I see you fighting, fighting, like no, no, no. I also feel that the good news that's coming your way is that this good news, I feel like, something is going to shake up your life, something. I will take a clarifier on it, but let me just say what's the message that I'm getting right now. I feel like something is going to shake up your life. It may have happened in the past for some of you. I feel for 50% of you, this shake up, this sudden ending, or this, something sudden has happened in the past for you. But the relief will come for you now, in the future, or now. But for others, if this has not happened, friends, sorry to say, some shake up, some sudden way, some good news can come through some sudden endings, or like you getting a flat tire, or you getting very angry, or someone else ending something in an impulsive way, or some. I feel like people are really angry, emotions are very high, either you or other person. So, but that's not the good news. That's what is happening currently, or may happen in the future, or I feel like it has happened for some of you, it has happened already, but for others it may be happening right now. But the good news is you are a fighter, you are a fighter, friends, you are a fighter, you are my warriors. I'm so proud of you. You are going to not give up, and your courage is going to change your life, friends. The good news is a very, very powerful new start is coming your way, friends. A very new, it's like you beginning a new path, a new life, a new you is coming. It's not like a new life, it's like entirely you are going to change your mindset, the way. I think your faith in God, your trust in God is being will be restored in the coming times. So that is the good news. You are going to release all this, this people fighting, not giving you, this anger, this passion. Maybe someone is fighting. It could be a marriage, it could be like your family doesn't want you to get married, or their family is against the choices. Something is happening. But the good news is you are going to get a relief. You are going to walk an entirely different path, and it is going to bring you such amazing happiness, friends. I'm telling you, this new path is going, and you are going to choose this new path. It is coming for you. Some of you have already chosen it. I don't think so. Most of you have chosen it. It's going to happen for you, friends. It's definitely in the works for you. This new path is coming and opening for you, this new start, this path. And I think it may start like very small, like this. It will start small, like like someone tells you, like, come to our, we are having a, friends are getting, in this group we are chatting, why don't you join us? And you go there and something shifts, like you join an online class and everything shifts for you, or you meet someone, everything shifts for you. It starts with a very small step, but this good news is going to change your life. I feel this is like a brand. You are going to change who you are. Absolutely, friends. A new you, a new life is coming for you. I see some of you could be getting married in the future and you are progressing on that path. It may happen 1 year from now or 6 months or maybe very quickly for some of you, but definitely you are going to let this past energies go. And the good news is God is putting you on a new path, and this path is going to lead you towards a lot of happiness, marriage, commitment, partnerships. And I also see some of you could be shifting or relocating in the future to America, to USA, UK, Europe, or maybe you will get married there and come back again. I don't know, I see you getting married in a very fancy place and having a very very good time enjoying it. And this is a leap of faith. A leap of faith is coming for you, friends. You have to take it. You have to take it. And it will be a very small step, like suddenly you just stop talking to all these people, or you just change your focus. I think you are already very very close to it. Even in work, if you are struggling with money, suddenly you will start, you'll just start on a new path. You'll start on a new path. Maybe you will just take a leap of faith, change your work, or sorry, friends, or see again this landed, it jumped, the card just flipped. So you are taking a black back flip, I don't know if you know what I mean. A jump, you are taking a jump. That good news, a positive new start is coming your way. And this new start, I feel you will not understand where God is taking you. It may not be very clear like how things will work out. Maybe God will give you like this new job or this interview call. This is not from your chosen field or career. You will be like, why are they calling me, why? And you still take the leap and go and talk to them, and you know what, things will work out. And this happy celebration, this happy commitment, promise, contract will be yours. So you have to take a leap of faith. Something that you don't know, something is in work for you, and it may not this good news, it will come all of a sudden. This good news will come when you least expect it. Some of you could be getting married in the future. Some of you could be moving out of a toxic relationship in the future or right now. Some of you could also be, moving out of a bad relationship or marriage, sorry to say that, and taking a brand new leap of faith, moving towards love, moving towards happiness, towards the first step. So what's coming, what good news is coming your way? The first step to a new life, a new you. I also see some of you financially you are struggling, but you will take a leap of faith. Maybe you will make an investment or start a business plan or something which is going to work out very well in your future. It will work better than you expect. So let's take your oracle card, and then we are going to see the extra messages also. Daydreams and decisions, number 7. See, things are not clear right now, and I feel there will be some confusion even in the future. Like even when this new thing or new start is coming, something may feel like you will not know all the answers. It will feel like very simple. Like you start drinking more water, things start to change. Some of you could start on health goals like fitness, and things start to change. Some of you could start sleeping more and life starts to change. Some of you could be making some wish list, your bucket list, and life starts to change. Friends, I think this is like some choices, some decisions will be coming your way. There will be some confusions, but I think you will be very successful, and a new start is here, a relief. It's a relief from all these challenges that you are going through. You'll be like, some of you could be relocating also, finding a new home or a new house, or maybe redecorating or shifting your house. So it will bring you positive change. Let me just clarify the tower for you. So angels, can you clarify the tower? Clarify the tower for pile number 2. Clarify the tower. Yeah, manifest. You see, Manifest, number one. Anything can happen for you, friends. Anything you desire can happen for you. Do not focus on things ending or why things are going bad, why you have to struggle. I know it's tough to not focus on these things, but I think if something has ended, you can still have that person, that relationship back if you want it, of course, and if you feel it is a good relationship and not something toxic, because I see it could be toxic for some of you. So you can manifest this, friends. You are going to manifest something that you desire. So I think some of you are confused also about what to manifest. I think, let me know in the comments, should I do a life purpose or divine gifts reading so you know what to manifest or what not to manifest? Or maybe what you are manifesting, pick a card reading, or what you should manifest, pick a card reading. Let me know in the comments, because I think something you desire is going to manifest, and it will be a relief. It will bring you a new life, a new start, a new you, and you will connect with your power, with your skills. And yes, it's going to be good. Let's see your romance angels messages. You deserve love, you are lovable. See, the main focus is on love, your self-worth, your partnerships, whether it is professional or personal. Friends, you deserve love. Love is coming your way. I see you are trying to move out of bad things, bad relationships, bad people, or not. There are no bad people, actually. There are only lessons in life. But at times we feel that like people are bad, but I think everything is happening or happens for us to learn and grow. But you need to remember, you deserve love. You deserve this amazing start coming your way. You deserve, and in fact you don't deserve, you are manifesting it. So be careful, because I see daydreams and decisions. You can get confused in what to manifest, or you can actually manifest a problem, because I see that if you focus on the negative, you can increase it. So be careful, friends. That was a tip that came your way from angels. Let's see your extra for pile number 2. What good news is coming? I see for some of you it's marriage, it's relationship, someone who actually values you, supports you, nurtures you, cares for you. This, you deserve love, friends. Yes, it's going to come for you, and I feel it's long time, it's high time it should come towards you. Wow, karma. See, I also feel some people have done you wrong. They are going to get their karma back. Sorry to say that, but life is give and take. Life is like the Newton's law. For every action, there is a equal and opposite reaction. Trust in God and spirit. I told you, friends. Oh my God, thank you for confirming. Take a leap of faith. You will have to take a leap of faith. Trust in God, friends. Trust in God. I told you at the start of this reading. Your faith in God, or whatever you believe in, destiny, angels, whatever, your religion, your culture, it's going to be restored. You currently feel like there is no God, there is no help, there is nothing good in life. That's going to change, friends. You are going to find the help. New partnership. Excellent, friends. Congratulations. And when the new partnerships come, remember, you deserve love. And a new job. Yes, I told you. Healer and Reiki. Yeah, I definitely feel someone very spiritual, or someone a healing relationship, a relationship which helps you, supports you, and maybe it could be a friendship, it could be a lover, soulmate, it could be someone you end up marrying. But yes, a very healing and happy relationship. That's it for now. Pile number 2. Please do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot and Magic Vens Tarot in Hindi, our new channel. Please do subscribe there, join, like, share, and also ask your friends to join there. It's an exclusive on your channel for you on your request. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. Friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful purple stone, let's see what good news is coming your way. We'll also be pulling some extra messages from here for your, some extra guidance. This is your romance angels messages. I hope you can see the cards. And these are your love messages, oracle messages. We're gonna look at that in the end. The cards are the wow, Nine of Cups. This is beautiful. The Knight of Cups, the Page of Cups. Ooh, nice. The Nine of Wands, Nine of Cups, Nine of Wands. The King of Pentacles. Wow, the Page of Wands. Friends, how many people you have? Knight of Cups, Page of Cups, King of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Judgment. Whew. And the Six of Swords. Heavy cards, huh? Heavy and some extremely beautiful cards. The Three of Swords. Oh my god, friends. Whew. Hot reading. Pile number 3. Folks, friends, I think I should start by telling you that you are doing very well, and because you are going through some very, very difficult phases right now. Wow. I feel like someone has hurted you, friend. Someone has hurted your heart. Someone has caused you heartache. I also feel someone has not just hurted you. I feel like someone has put you in a third party. Sorry, friends. I bumped my camera. Sorry for that. I feel like someone has put you in a third party, or maybe it is at work or in love life, or I feel a lot of people. Someone has put you in a third party or broken your trust, and they have very much hurted you. It's still aching you. You are trying to be very strong. You are trying to be like, yeah, I can do it. But friends, the good news is, yes, you are going to find the relief. I think life has been very unfair to you recently. But I think it is going to change. You are going to get this justice happen for you, this awakening happen for you. I see that a lot of some justice is going to happen for you. You are going to win. If there are legal issues, you can expect a victory there. If someone has hurted you, you can expect to win, because maybe they will get their karma back, or you are going to find a better lover or a person. So you are going to win, friends, and this is destined and fated for you, because you had been through a very tough path. I feel you are trying to really pretend that life is not so tough. You are really trying to. I see that you might be crying, but you are trying to smile. That's how I feel. But you are very strong. Look at this. Look at this energy here. The energy you chose with this purple, there are these sparkles in it, and there are some blacks also. So there is some heaviness, but I also see some amazing stars shining for you. I feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you. Also, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Maybe you could be these sun signs: water, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I definitely feel someone is going to propose you. That's the good news coming your way. In fact, I feel like 2 or 3 people are going to propose you, or they want to join you, or as friends, they want to know you. And this will really help you to feel better, supported, and loved. This will help you to progress from a heartache. Sometimes, you need friends or lovers or love or support of someone to get over someone, or some ending. But I think you are very strong. You don't need that. But this is your reward. Someone new coming into your life. Maybe a choice in love is coming. I also see someone who has hurt you. They are going to come back and apologize. It could be a person at work who has hurt you. It could be maybe a family member or friend has hurted you. I see them coming back and offering you an apology, but you choosing someone new. Wow, this is amazing. I definitely see your wishes coming true. Something you have worked very, very hard upon. I see if you are at work, you are working on something, maybe a promotion or a project. I think your workload has increased due to the current situation of the world. But I think you are not being rewarded by your company, your office, and there are a lot of people in line for that promotion or something. But friends, you are going to win it because it's destined. This celebration is coming for you. Absolutely. I see some of you could also be celebrating a birthday. Some of you are going to have a birthday, or some of you are going for a date. I feel like, you are celebrating with friends or someone coming, and you celebrating with them. Something will happen. There's definitely a legal victory coming your way. There is also relief coming your way. There is also money coming your way, and respect. It is like, maybe you are a senior person at your work, or you're a teacher, or something like that, but your children, your people, your juniors are not valuing you. It's going to change, friends. You are going to be valued, respected, and maybe some of you will have a freshers party, that's what I'm getting, or some of you could be getting a farewell, something, you know, some sort of a function. I also feel a lot of people are coming your way. Definitely, a lot of people, a lot of friendships. These people can help you in your work and in your career also. Let me just take a clarifier, Angels. Can you clarify the judgment? What's going to happen? Pile number three. I think some offers are coming, friends. Someone is going to offer you friendship, and maybe you have a crush, and you are going to talk to them. You are just going to say, "Hi, how are you? You're lovely." I definitely see you getting that courage and going and saying, "Ooh, see that the cards jumped." Nurture, yeah, something is coming your way that's going to nurture you, protect you, keep you happy, keep you safe. Number three, communications, partnerships, and friendships. And number three is also about celebrations. And three times three is nine. See, trust, number zero. Yes, trust, friends, trust. This heartbreak, this third party situation, it's going to end. If someone is hurting you or hurted you in the past, maybe if someone was being casual with you, whatever, if someone has hurted you, friends, you are going to get the justice. You are going to feel much better. Perhaps you'll find someone new. You have to trust. You have to trust, but. Let's see your extra messages from here. Love abounds. I definitely feel, friends, something beautiful. I also feel some of you could be getting some recognition in your career and in your education. Maybe you are clearing an exam, topping it, or something like that. I also feel you are going to find a person that has a very deep telepathic connection with you. Love abounds. True love is coming your way. Healing love, safe love, giving and receiving. See, and here is also this card of moving towards happiness and giving and receiving. Someone will give you, friends. I think in the past and even right now, people around you are just taking and taking, and you feel very unhappy. Now you will find people who are going to offer you love or support, or maybe you are going to share your feelings with someone new, and that will be the start of an amazing relationship or friendship. If you are a creative person, you will find people who can work with you, and you will create more music, art, poetry, all those things, or you will find some new friends. It's a lot of messages coming. It's different for all of you how this will manifest. Let's see your romance angels messages. Keep an open mind. I told you, friends, don't cry over the past. Don't cry over who has hurted you, because keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Yes, friends, something new is in the work for you. Trust, you have to trust. I also feel the past person returning back, but you saying bye. Oh, sorry, friends. Bye bye. Let's see what's the extra messages for pile number three. What good news is coming for pile number three? Okay, good news for pile number three. Family home. See, some of you maybe, I told you, some of you may be having issues with a family member, father figure, mother figure, or maybe in laws, or just like you have some housing issues, house loans or etc. Rent issues. I think relief is coming. Relief is coming. Don't worry. A soulmate is coming. Yes, I see a lot of friendships coming your way. New friend or a coworker, new coworker or a friend. Yay, that's beautiful. And financial success. Yes, friends, a lot of financial success is coming your way. Music or an artist. Yes, I think definitely, I think this is where you should focus on music, art, and creative things. It's going to, if you are an artist or creative person and you feel defeated, you feel like no one is helping you, don't worry, things are going to work out. Opposition, see, I told you this thing, thank you for confirming. There is a lot of people working against you. You feel like, oh my god, I'm tired of fighting everyone. But it's over, I feel it's over, absolutely. This good times are coming. A career change. For some of you, you will be changing your career, or maybe the location, or maybe the house you live, or the building you work in. Environmental list and nature. I feel like this is about you. Nature is like you being your surroundings, changing the people you are with or changing the surroundings you live. So some changes in where you live or work or whom you are talking, the people you associate, that's going to shift positively for you, and that's beautiful. That's it for now, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot. Do join and subscribe our new channel Magic Vens Tarot Hindi, friends. The link is in the timestamps of this reading. It's also in the community section. You can join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C Singh. Bye.